New listing of BITGET has emerged, now time for SocialFi to share the spotlight. Introducing Friend3, one of the best SocialFi about to launch. This is a valuable token to hold for the upcoming cryptocurrency rally or bull run. Are you ready for more detailed information? Now let's get started. Friend3 is a leading social dApp where anyone can make friends and profits in the Web3 world. With their paper group communities and decentralized donation mechanism, everyone can earn passive income through the power of the social network. It's not just about chats and talks. Friend3's vision extends to an all-in-one platform that emphasizes individual control, security, and a seamless user experience. Right now, Friend3 is the top trending social dApp on BNB chain and off BNB. The Friend3 beta app, live on BNB chain, has 45K users and 200K transactions within just 7 weeks and is the first app to offer customizable pricing curves and social protocols with a unique mechanism to empower the creator. So what tasks are in for this token? Get ready for an exhilarating experience as we bring you an exclusive Spinning Wheels event to celebrate the listing of F3. Your chance to win incredible rewards awaits by completing a few simple tasks. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to share $10,000 worth of F3. Complete KYC. Ensure your account is verified by completing the KYC process. First net deposit. Make your first net deposit with F3 to unlock your Spinning Wheels entry. First trading. Execute your first trade to enhance your chances of winning amazing prizes. Spot trading with F3. Make your spot trading with F3 to gain chances to spin. Complete tasks to maximize your chances of spinning the wheels. Each completed task earns you a spin on the wheels. The more tasks you complete, the greater your chances of winning. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to be part of the F3 listing celebration.